everyone, it's Jennifer, and I've got day 12 of my Advent. So here we go. Here is day 12, and we're going to open it up and see what is inside. Oh, it's a Freddo! Bingo, Freddo! Anybody that doesn't know me doesn't know that I love Freddos. You're going to find out why. Oh, and behind a Freddo is a sticker. Yay. Get my sticker out here, and we'll see what it says. It says, how many presents can you find? Oh, I'm not going to count those right now. Here's the sticker. It is a snowman. Can you build a snowman? Love that. But this is a Freddo. It is a frog-shaped candy. I love Freddos. I'm just saying. And then our tea for the day is vanilla spiced. It's not going to come in. It is vanilla spiced traditional chai blend with vanilla. It is 80% black tea, 5% cardamom, 5% cinnamon, 3% clove, 5% black pepper, cappuccino extracts, 0.5%, vanilla extract, 1.5%. That sounds really good. I'm going to have to try that one today. I don't know. I'm just like, sounds good. And then we have, this one is Southern Skeins. It's very pretty. It'll go really good with yesterday's. That's very pretty. And then we have Paw Ply. And let's check Paw Ply's out. Oh, he doesn't have the name in this one. Oh my. But it's very pretty purpley color. It's purple, more purple than there. On the screen it looks blue. It's not. But there's the two skeins, and they're very pretty. Kind of wish you'd have put the name in there, but that's okay. We can still handle this. And now we have day 12 for Hobby Lobby. This is the last day for Hobby Lobby. So let's see what's in the bag. What's in the bag? What's in the bag? Alright. So, for day 12, this is nice. I'm going to open this up. This is very nice. We got a notepad. I'd rather be watering the yarn aisle. And it's magnetic, so that's useful, and a pin to go with it, and that's what the pin top looks like. So that's fantastic. Now if the pin was magnetic to stick to it, it'd be even better, but it's not. Just the pad is magnetic, but it is a thick pad of paper. It does have cardboard on the back. It is a very thick pad of paper. So that is really great. That's nice. And it's a little too heavy. Yeah, it's a little too heavy. Oh, I got it to stay. Okay, I have another magnet underneath the magnet on the back, and it's staying. And then we got this. It's a cup. Alright. And it is a cup, and it is carved. Feels like bamboo. It's very light. It's very light. I like the yarn balls on it. And it does say, not intended for food use, so you can't put liquids in it. But you don't have to put liquids in this. I know everybody's thinking it, so I'm going to demonstrate it. There it is. It's a good place to put some hooks. Good place to put your hooks. So, I like that. That's a great idea. Love that. It's going to be sitting on my desk with some hooks in it, just saying. So, and actually, my new pen will go in here too. Alright. So I hope you've enjoyed the Hobby Lobby Advent. It was only 12 days, but it was well worth what I paid for it. I didn't pay full price. I got it 60% off. So, hope you've enjoyed that. And stay tuned, and I will still continue with all the other Advents. Stay safe, be kind, be kind to one another. As always, happy yarning. Bye now.